Hello everyone, so I'm going to, this isn't like a video of my homemade fire alarm system or my, or like a system test or anything. I'm just going to show you the smoke alarm and fire alarm system in my house, in my apartment, the whole system. So, first to start, there is Firelight BG12, Wheelock HSR, first alert smoke detector on the ceiling over here, and there's that area. And this really is just going to be a short video because in my apartment system there isn't really much, so yeah. I'm also chewing gum right now. And then there's another first alert smoke detector up there, the same one as before. And I guess to make this video longer, I'm going to show you guys sprinklers in my apartment. Sorry, I was just looking up to see if there's a sprinkler in my mom's closet, and yes, there is. Real quick, I'm gonna let Moggy say hi. Want to say hi, Moggs? Well, that's okay. And I have to tell you something real quick about her. What happened to her last Tuesday. Last Tuesday, she had a seizure, and that was really bad. And like she had a kind of serious seizure, and then the day after that, on Wednesday, my mom and stepdad took her to the vet. So I gotta be safe around her. I don't want to be too loud, and I don't want to stress her out because that could give her another seizure. What is that green laser behind me thing? Thought there was like a green laser or something. So now for the sprinkler system. There's a sprinkler up there, and right on the other side, there's a sprinkler right there, and sprinkler up there, sprinkler, sprinkler. I think there's a sprinkler in here. I don't know. Yeah, there's a sprinkler right up there. And just turn the light off in there. Over here, there's a sprinkler right there. There's a sprinkler right over there. Ceiling mount sprinkler. I forgot to mention this. I don't know if this is a smoke detector or what. Like, I know what it is. And also, this next to it, I don't know if that's like a CO detector or something. Sprinkler. Sprinkler. One of my female hamsters named Luna is in this cage. About 15 minutes ago, we started setting up our other female hamster's cage, which her name is Chunk. I give her the nickname Chain Chomp, and the reason why we have those names for Chunk is because she bites a lot, so we decided to give her that name. No sprinkler up there, but there is a sprinkler right up there. Come this way and turn on the lights over here. Sprinkler right over this way. I'm gonna check the alarm to make sure it's not armed. Okay, the alarm isn't armed. It doesn't have a gun. So let me show you the sprinklers I have in the garage. Let's unlock. I'm gonna ask my mom if I can go in the garage real quick. Is it okay if I go in the garage? Okay. All right, so let's go down here. Let's go to the garage. It's nice outside today. This is our old alarm. Doesn't work anymore. Here's the inside. So let's go. That was my alarm. So let's turn on the light in here. Okay. I'm just messing up. Let's try. So in my garage we have another ceiling mount sprinkler. The light keeps messing up in here. And we have another sprinkler on the wall over here. So there's that. Gosh, this thing keeps flickering. I don't know why it's doing that. It keeps messing up. Here's the garage door. God dang it. It's so annoying. Come on. There we go. So let's come back in. Lock the door. And let's go back upstairs. So here's our shoe racket. So I think that's gonna be it for the video. Wait, hang on. I think I forgot a sprinkler in here. No, there's no sprinkler in there. But that's it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed, and bye. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.